Hi, welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to learn how you can block a number in your Samsung device. So basically there would be many unwanted calls you might not need to attend, and so you can block that number so that some strangers cannot call you again. So you can do that by this method, and you can also check the video description, and I'll try to leave the instructions there. So let's jump right into the video. So for that, what you need to do is you need to just click on your phone icon. So you go to your phone icon. Then let me check. I've got a call from this number yesterday, and I would want him to not call me again. So I'll just go here, click on this I option, which is at the right side. I click on it, and then there is a option at the middle which says block. So you just need to click on block. It would ask you won't receive any calls or messages from this number from now on. Yeah, that's basically what we want. So then I click on block. So see, the number has been blocked, and if you want to unblock, you can unblock from the same here as well. So there you go guys. This is how you can block a number in your phone, and this is the easiest method that I know. And if you guys know a better method, you can comment down below in the comment section, and be sure to subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.